Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I'm getting ready to start on my 7 Days of Summer project, the collaboration between Dear Julie and Cara Brandon. And I wanted to show you, Cara Brandon has created some digital pages that will pair perfectly with some of the things that I will be making during the collaboration. So I wanted to share this kit with you. It's 8 pages, 8 full journal pages, but it would go great with her 7 Days of Summer kit journal pages where you would get your tags, pockets, journaling cards, ephemera pieces, stuff like that. Okay, so here's page 1 with watermelons. Page 2 with lemonades. I love this lemonade picture. And over here we have lemonade, taste of summer, and fresh squeeze. But these pages are just so bright and summery. I really like this one too with the advertising in the background. We have new strawberry number 12. We have blackberries, and then the vibrant red strawberry plants and strawberries on there. Here is another page. There are 8 pages total. Looks like my printer was messing up a little bit. So you can see and hear a floral page, which is very pretty. Here again, the blue with the strawberries. It's just so bright, vibrant, summery. And the next page, we've got more floral. We've got some dark pinkish and yellow and the peachy and the blue and the green. Just beautiful. And here we've got some lemons. Oh, is that right? I thought I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, that's something different. Sorry, that one's an error. There are 8 pages, 2 floral. I printed one of them out twice. So there you go. The 8 pages. They're wonderfully vibrant. I mean, you can't look at these and the colors in these and not think summer. They're just wonderful. Anyway, so head on over to her Etsy shop to pick these up. Like I said, they'll go great with her 7 Days of Summer digital kit pages, where she has 7 pages that will have all your ephemera, tags, pockets, journal cards, everything you could possibly want to go along with these. And until next time, everyone be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.